Listen very closely. The low rumble sounds like a generator running in the distance. It's now morning at the same home in the Castlereagh neighborhood of North St. Louis County. Beyond the birds chirping, you can hear the same hum in the background.
Beard said he was just sitting in his living room Tuesday night watching TV when he heard that heavy humming echoing through his home.
On Fox, we're learning more about a strange noise North St. Louis County residents say they are hearing.
This is a hum that Contact 2's Mike Colombo has heard a lot about. And as he reports tonight, many of you have thoughts on what that sound could be.
Since our report on February 21st, we've received dozens of phone calls and emails from people on both sides of the river who say they hear this hum. There is still no definitive answer on what's causing it. The viewer who shared this video with us lives less than 3 miles northwest of Micah Mayfield's home on Old Jamestown Road.
So low that it's almost inaudible, but super consistent. So usually in the evenings after 8, you'd hear a very low humming noise that would come in kind of a wave pattern.
And I remember asking my husband, I said, babe, do you hear that noise? And he's like, what noise? And I say, listen.
St. Louis County Councilwoman Shalonda Webb can hear the hum from her North St. Louis County home. She's still got the county looking into it, and so are we. Nearby, you'll find Ameren's Portage de Sioux site and Aspire STL pipeline storage facility. Both utilities investigated and say it's not them. Same for the Corps of Engineers and Lambert Airport. Central Stone Company Quarry told St. Louis County it's not doing anything during the hours that people report hearing the hum. Viewers have suggested we investigate everything from barge traffic to grain bins, an industrial gas company in Madison County, Illinois, and the Taos hum. Google it.
But for many who live in Taos, they will do anything to assure you that something is there. It's a phenomenon known as the Taos hum. There's no real specific date when it started or was first noticed, but sometime around 30 years ago, a number of residents began to complain of a constant, low-frequency humming noise in Taos. As the legend of the hum began to grow, so did the curiosity for finding its source.
Now, Taos is not alone in claiming a hum. Other major cities on the other side of the world, from England to Australia, say they have their own versions of the buzzing sound.
Guys, what is going on?
Strange sounds are being heard around the world. In Sweden, this sure sounds like a trumpet. In Michigan, another trumpet-like sound. In British Columbia, Canada, Dr. Glenn McPherson says he heard a strange humming sound in his home. At first, he thought it was an appliance.
Ultimately, I cut the power to the entire house, and the sound got louder.
Then he discovered he was not alone.
This is in fact a worldwide phenomenon, and I'm calling it the worldwide hum.
Very strange. Some of Beard's posts, or some on his post, say that the sound is eerily similar to something out of the War of Worlds. Our chief meteorologist Brad Panovich thought it could be Duke Energy conducting an early growl test of its sirens. However, tonight we found out the utility officials reached out to Ryan saying it wasn't them. Colonial Pipeline also says it wasn't doing any work at that time that would warrant that sound, so the mystery remains.
Now listen to these strange booms that sound almost from another planet. It could be a sonic boom from a fighter jet breaking the sound barrier, but others remain a weird mystery.
over the world, a disturbing sonic phenomenon is disturbing people in rural areas to their very core. Although many have heard the sound, no one can seem to explain the source. Speculation over the sounds include everything from top-secret military testing to trumpets from heaven. Originally heard in early 2008, yet today, the phenomenon still continues. So what are these strange sounds people are hearing and recording around the world? Could this be some kind of sign? Or could it be a message from above? That maybe it is time to pay attention.
Guys, what is going on?
Strange sounds are being heard around the world. In Sweden, this sure sounds like a trumpet. In Michigan, another trumpet-like sound. In
Wie kannst du dauerhaft angebunden sein?
Glenn McPherson says he heard a strange humming sound in his home. At first, he thought it was an appliance.
Ultimately, I cut the power to the entire house, and the sound got louder.
Then he discovered he was not alone.
This is in fact a worldwide phenomenon, and I'm calling it the worldwide hum.
To date, some 17,000 civilians and scientists from around the world who call themselves hummers have reached out to him, saying they heard the same thing.
What the fuck? You hear that? What the heck is that?
People have been recording strange noises like this one in Kiev for some time now. Videos filmed all over the world have appeared on YouTube. But no one's really sure what they're hearing. Speculation ranges from cloaked UFOs to military testing, to experiments by HAARP, a US research project that studies the ionosphere.
A lot of people who hear the hum, they refer to it as a bunch of trucks idling nearby. It's this low-level, low-frequency, bass kind of sound.
This is totally unlike her. She won't go upstairs. She's fearful of something.
She was always very sensitive to thunder. So she's one of these dogs that shakes and fears when you don't even know it's coming. It was not like her. So it changed something in her demeanor, yeah. The sound that we're hearing started off as a very faint, low-frequency diesel engine sound. It was occurring in the bedroom at night.
One possibility is that we're dealing with some sort of atmospheric phenomenon involving thunder, but sound can behave in very funny ways, and that's one option. Another option might be power lines. Again, under some circumstances, we know power lines can make a humming and crackling sound, and that may well explain some of these events.
I don't understand what this sound is. This is the third morning in a row that I've been woken up by this noise. It is 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'm standing outside freezing, but I just don't understand. I'm going to try and tape this. I hope it's taping okay and people can hear it, because I don't think anybody's going to believe me.
Now listen to these strange booms that sound almost from another planet. It could be a sonic boom from a fighter jet breaking the sound barrier. Another possibility, a meteor. This home security camera in Bridgewater, New Jersey, actually caught the flash and then the sound of a meteor.
Huge explosion, loud enough and strong enough to knock the pictures off my walls and shatter the glass all over the place.
That may help explain some of the booms, but others remain a weird mystery.
Looks like the neighbors are all turning their lights on too, so I'm not the only one hearing it. Oh my God. I can't even tell where it's coming from. I'm going to try and stay out here and see how long it lasts this morning. Okay, I don't think so. Not anymore.
Next to the more outlandish theories, there are some more mundane ideas as to what's causing the noises. Some have suggested nearby trains might be to blame. However, it's not known whether all the noises around the world were filmed near railways.
People say that the hum causes physical symptoms, sleeplessness, nausea, and it makes them nervous and anxious and depressed.
It would seem so far. The answer to what is making the sounds heard around the world still fall in the category of speculation and theory.
Not since the crop circles of the 1980s, though, has the online community been so excited by a series of unexplained events. But often as phenomena like this increase in notoriety, they can become subject to hoaxing.
Oh yeah, that was loud. All right. It's not an animal, is it?
As our magnetic pole continues to move, our magnetic field weakens. Are we hearing the solar shields weakening as pressure continues to build? Is this what the Bible meant when it said we would hear trumpets being heard from the heavens, ushering in the end of times? Let us know what you think. Leave us a comment below. And as always, thank you all for watching the WTF Files channel.
Did you feel that?
So, I've been hearing some strange noises outside now for a bit. I'll open the window, show you. It's really strange. Listen.
It's not an animal, is it?
Who or what just made that sound?
Did you hear a loud boom earlier today? Several people heard and felt a loud noise around 12:30 Central Time this afternoon.
All over Carter County took to social media about a loud boom that shook their homes and workplaces around 10:15 this morning.
So I ran to the back door and looked out, but I didn't see anything. We've heard Jesus is coming. We've heard lots of things.
In Sweden, this sure sounds like a trumpet. In Michigan, another trumpet-like sound.
And are there
sounds were heard across Terrace, BC early yesterday morning and lasted for about 10 minutes. Speculation about what caused it ranges from the aurora borealis to aliens, or it could just be a prank. But similar sounds have been recorded in other parts of BC and reported in other locations around the world.
Hello, thrill seekers, and welcome back to Legend Discoveries. Today's episode delves into a fascinating auditory mystery that's been stirring up fear and confusion globally. Our focus for today, the eerie, unexplained sounds echoing across the skies in Israel and beyond. First things first, let's describe the chilling phenomena many people are reporting. Imagine this. You're going about your day, and suddenly you hear an earth-shaking sound, a sonic spectacle like a chorus of trumpets, or a cacophony of crashing metallic noises. But here's the catch. There's no visible source for these bone-rattling sounds. They seem to appear out of nowhere, reverberating through the air, powerful enough to be heard over vast distances. It's like the very fabric of reality is resonating with an eerie melody.
Wow. Wow, מה זה?
The chilling phenomenon has incited fear and intrigue. Some have linked it to ominous phrases like end of the world, judgment day, and the apocalypse. Some relate it to the 7 trumpets of Revelation in the Bible, a series of catastrophic events that signify the end times. But that brings us to the questions we're going to grapple with today. What's happening here? Why aren't these video clips researched and discussed? And could this phenomenon have connections to biblical prophecies?
went a bit further up, I might see something.
Shit, what was that?
Fuck knows. Oh, this is it. Maybe it wasn't 2012, it was 2013. Alright, okay. It's not an animal, is it? Hang on. Oh yeah, that was loud. Alright. Hang on, I've got to turn this off.
At face value, these strange occurrences can be downright frightening and inexplicable. However, I believe it's essential for us to approach these phenomena with curiosity and critical thinking. Why are these sounds not extensively researched? Could it be due to scientific limitations or perhaps a hesitation to delve into phenomena that stir mass panic and speculation? As for the biblical connection, it's indeed an intriguing thought. The sounds have often been likened to trumpets, evoking the biblical imagery of the 7 trumpets of Revelation. However, as we all know, interpreting religious text and prophecy can be subjective and deeply complex.